In this section, we will be talking about Excel Preferred Designers and Craftsmen. As an Excel Preferred Designer and Craftsman, you will enjoy an exclusive discount on all products, whole systems, wardrobe accessories, as well as other miscellaneous products. Apart from our discounted pricing, Excel Hardware also provides marketing support including showroom displays, marketing videos, sponsored contests, and star rewards points. Excel Hardware will provide display banners to facilitate designers in introducing our best-selling products to homeowners. As Excel is a Star Rewards partner, we can assist you in submitting your purchase and Star Reward points. With regards to delivery, you may choose from the list of courier service providers on our online store page. Delivery charges will be applied to all orders below $100, starting from $3.99 per delivery. We provide delivery to job sites, carpenter factories, showrooms, and offices. Do kindly provide us with necessary details to assess your job site if applicable. Excel Hardware is running an exclusive promotion. We are giving away $10 Grab food vouchers for the purchase of selected baskets. Once again, this promotion is only applicable for Excel Preferred Designers and Craftsmen.
Shop now at 𝐿𝐻𝐿.com.sg, a Singapore brand.